What's going on, Extreme family? Extreme Jordan here with yet another great video for y'all today. Behind me I got a 2020 Ford F-150. We're going to be doing another installation video by Lockerdown USA. We're going to be doing their iLock safe on this Ford. So if you guys want to go ahead and like this video, make sure you also subscribe to my channel and Extreme Off-Road and Performance. And most of all, turn on those notifications for more content like this. Alright guys, before installing this safe, first things first, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and program our safe. We already went ahead and did that, and Lockerdown is nice enough to provide instructions on how to program this iLock safe. So ready to go, we're going to start installing this, okay? So let's take a look. Okay, so in order to install the center console safe in this Ford F-150, you're going to need two tools in this project. You're going to need a 13mm wrench, and you're going to need a compact drill with a Phillips head screwdriver tip. So for starters, what we're going to do is we're going to first drop in the top lid of the safe. Now you gotta have to finagle this. You're gonna have to go in at an angle. This could take a second or two. Don't be scared to manhandle it a little bit. Okay, so safe top lid is in. We're gonna bring it up all the way to the top. Make sure it's nice and snug. This top of the safe is free right now. Now here's one of the sides, and actually showcasing on this demonstration video is Lockerdown's magnetic magnets you can order online. It's an added option. You can actually mount a handgun, pistol, or any other magnetized item to it. Very heavy duty, very strong. So in this video you're actually gonna get to see their new product here. Now we're going to go ahead and insert it to the side. The top of the safe actually has, on both left and right side, has two bolts. So these holes right here, they line up with it, and we're going to go ahead and pre-fit that. So that's one. Driver's side. Again, these two brackets are universal, so it doesn't really matter which side they go in, as long as you line them up with the bolt holes. Okay, so I got both passenger and driver side in. We're then going to go ahead and take our four 13mm bolts you see here, and we're going to hand tighten them on both sides. The next step is we're going to use our self-tapping screws. They should have provided 4 of them, and on the brackets you'll see 2 holes on each side that mount straight down to the plastic. You're just going to self-tap straight down into the plastic of the bottom of this center console, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do that. And that's when we pull out our handy-dandy compact drill for this tight space. Okay. This one. Alright guys, so what we already have completed here is we did the 4 self-tapping screws that go in the bottom of the center console to secure it. Now those 4 13mm bolts that we hand tighten, we got to go ahead and tighten it with our 13mm wrench. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so the safe is completely secured and fully installed now. One great feature about these Fords is that you're probably asking yourself, Jordan, I have a option of a charger down here, and with this safe now I can't reach it. That's not true at all. Lockerdown actually provided a extension on a USB that goes down to your cigarette lighter down here, which allows you to flip this open and boom, relocation of your charger. So if your safe is locked, you still can charge on the go. So that completes this installation video on Lockerdown's iLock safe on a 2020 Ford F-150. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much.